everybody, it's Rebecca-Louise and welcome back to my channel. We are going to have quite a few pregnancy workouts over the next couple of months. Well, I'm actually currently 10 weeks pregnant, so don't worry if you're currently not pregnant, there are still lots of workouts that you can do on my channel. And if you're not, maybe you know somebody that is, send them this channel. Okay, we're going to get started. We're going to take it into a nice seated position right here. I'm going to add a timer on my clock right here. And all we're going to do is we're just going to have some fun together today and move our bodies. We're going to bring our right hand down to the ground. We're just going to lift up with that left arm and then just feel that stretch over the top. Remember just to relax everything in your pelvic, in your stomach area. This is the first time since I've been making workout videos over a decade that I have not needed to like tense my abs or like for a photo try to like squeeze and look like I've got real big six pack. It actually feels quite nice just to relax. So lift up one more time, inhale through your nose, and then just relax a little bit further. Exhale over the top of your head and hold here for 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going to come back over to the other side. So this time, just going to bring that left arm down to the ground and extend that right arm up over the top of your head. Take a nice big inhale as you get to the top, and then just relax that hand. You have a slight bend in that elbow, lifting all the way up. Remember, relax everything here right in your tummy, and then just bring that arm over the top. And we're just going to feel these stretches. Now, you do not need to push yourself. You know, I believe even throughout pregnancy, wanting to do about 20 to 30 minutes of exercise every day. Of course, there were days where I just wanted to sleep, and the last thing I could do was exercise. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, I led a workout here in Sarasota, and I came home and I was asleep for 2 hours, and I didn't even do the whole workout. I just led it. Take a nice big inhale and then just exhale a little bit more, feeling that beautiful stretch all the way through your side body, really just relaxing everything through your core, and hold here for 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're going to take it lying down on our side. We're going to take it into a nice calf stretch. So even if you're not doing a full workout, getting some stretches in can just make you feel a little bit better. So you're going to come all the way down to the ground. You can relax your head onto your arm, onto your hand right here, and all you're going to do is you're going to take a bend in that knee and you're just going to feel that calf stretch here. If it makes it feel too much, you can always bend that other leg and just feel that calf stretch right here. We're just going to take it over to the side. It's important still to like give your body and nourish your body obviously with great nutrition. I've been using the same nutrition products for over a decade, and they've really helped me in my first trimester stay hydrated, help with my digestive system, and also get protein in even when I haven't felt like it. Some of our shakes are super nice and easy and thin to drink, so it's been a lifesaver. So if you need help with any nutrition when it comes to your pregnancy, I've dropped a little link below where you can book a free consultation with us and just learn a bit more about what I did throughout mine. All right, gently release. Use this hand right here to bring you all the way up to the top. And we're going to come over to the other side. Remember, just take it nice and slow. Sometimes when I'm walking upstairs, I'm like out of breath. I'm like, how can somebody who climbed Everest go upstairs and be out of breath? But you're going to come all the way down onto the other side and then just have that nice stretch right here. We don't need to overdo it, nothing too crazy. We're going to have a whole pregnancy course that's actually going to be available on the Burn app as well. So I'm currently in the middle of filming for that, so can't wait to put that together, and also getting a certification so that I make sure that all the information that I give you is going to be correct and help you the best through your pregnancy with your physical and your mental health as well. All right, relax everything in your core. That's it. Just feel that stretch all through your quads, and just relax your head all the way down to the mat. Just breathe, inhale through your nose, and exhale everything out for 3, 2, 1, and release. Again, use this opposite hand to press you up nice and gently, smooth and controlled. Okay, we're going to take it into a child's pose. So great pose to do, nice stretch. And all we're going to do is we're going to bring our booty onto our heels. Just bring your knees a little bit further apart, okay? Maybe just kind of looking at the edge of the mat. And we're just going to come all the way down right here. So what we're going to do, you don't need to stretch it out too far. Maybe if you just want to bring your elbows down and then just relax, just taking a few breaths right here. And then as you do, slowly, bring your arms a little bit further out and just rest your forehead all the way down onto the mat. And just gently breathe, and just remember to allow your belly to just release to the full. Hold here for 3 and 2 and 1. All right, gently walking all the way back up. We're going to take it into a cat and cow. So you want to have your knees directly underneath your hips. Your hands are going to be directly underneath your shoulders. And all you're going to do is you're going to lift up through the chest. Remember to allow your belly just to drop. Now press down into your hands and then lifting up through your core. Breathing in and exhaling out. Just take it as a regular breath. You don't need to overexert yourself. You don't need to breathe in too heavy. Just take it nice and gently with every single motion that you do. That's it. Now, as you lift up through your chest, tilt your hips up to the sky. Allow your body to just drop your belly and then press down into your hands to really lift up and curve your spine. That's it. Great work. Slow and controlled. Lifting all the way up to the top for 3 and 2 and 1. And gently coming back to seating on your booty. Nice work, everybody. All right, how are we feeling? Feeling good? Remember to take in some water, hydrate. I use lots of great hydrate products, all NSF certified as well, to make sure I'm giving my body the best in nutrition. All right, we're going to take it into a seated calf stretch. We're going to take it one side at a time. We're going to extend that right leg over. Now, all I want you to do is just to lift up that toe slightly, okay? Don't worry about doing it too much. If you need to have a slight bend in that knee, absolutely, no problem, that's fine. Even if you have to go right here. I just want you to feel a nice little stretch underneath your calf, underneath the back of your knee. Doesn't have to be too crazy, doesn't need to be a huge stretch, and just bring your hands behind you and just lift here. So you can either have your foot relaxed, but if you're not feeling it that much in your calf right now, just lift up that heel just a little bit. Lift up your toe. That's it. And then just relax the rest of your body, just feeling the stretch all there right in the calf. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we're going to switch over to the other side. So same thing again. Get yourself nice and comfortable. We're going to relax the foot first of all. If you feel a great stretch already, just leave it as it is. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, you can just pull that toe up and you're going to feel a greater stretch all through your calf muscles right there. All right, here we go. Relax those hands behind, relax your core. That's it. Sit up just a little bit taller with your chest and taking a couple of breaths right here. So inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it all go. Don't hold any tension this time in your core. That's it. Just really just let everything release and breathe in. And exhale everything out. Okay, you got this. Keep on going. Just feel that stretch. If it feels too tight at any time, you can just bring your leg in. Just you know your body. Just whatever feels right for you. Let's hold here for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going to come into a seated position. Now, pretty much all of my pregnancy workouts, I'm going to do at least 40 seconds in the video of Kegel exercises because we just need to get them done. It's going to help a lot with helping giving birth, helping like repair your muscles afterwards. So all I want you to do is if you've never done one before, no problem. I'm going to guide you through. I've got specific videos for Kegels to really go through step by step. So just relax everything down. And what you want to think about is you're just like literally like you're squeezing a marble, right, with your pelvic floor, and then you're lifting that marble up. So what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze and we're going to hold up here for 3, 2, 1, and then release. Now I've got a video that really breaks it down to make sure you're getting all 3 parts of your pelvic area to make sure that you are squeezing properly. But this time, just squeeze. Think about you're lifting up a marble inside of you. That's it. And hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Release. Let's do one more together. So squeeze up and hold for 3, 2, 1, and release. So I'm always going to add a little bit, 1 or 2 of those exercises in all of the pregnancy workouts because I know sometimes we forget to do them. So I'm going to make sure that we get them done each day because it's definitely going to help us. All right, here we go. It's going to help us, right? I'm going to do it as well with you. All right, we're going to take it into a bridge pose. So we need to come all the way down onto the ground and we're just going to bring those feet hip width distance apart and then you're just going to lift up. So just feeling that stretch all through your glutes, pressing those knees out to the side. You're just going to hold it here for 3, 2, 1, and then gently release all the way back down, relaxing everything. Now let's take that again. Make sure that your feet are nice and flat on the floor and then press up, hold up here. That's it. You've got this for 3 and 2 and 1, and then slowly coming all the way down to the mat. Relax everything and then get yourself ready. We're going to press up again. So really press down into your heels, push those knees out to the side and then squeeze for 3, 2, 1. Nice work. All right, we're going to take it into a seated glute stretch. So you're going to come back to the center of your mat. And we're just gonna bring one of our legs over the top of the other, just to feel that stretch right here. So you're just gonna take it across your body, press down into the ground, and then feel that stretch, okay? So you wanna twist it over to that same direction. You're gonna feel that great stretch right here. Even just giving our bodies a little bit of TLC, giving them a little bit of a stretch, getting them to feel just like we've moved our body that day. But look, don't stress. I mean, I believe from week 5 to 9, I was useless. I was absolutely useless. I couldn't do anything. And then I got a tummy bug on top of that, and it was like really bad because I was literally down for 12 days. And so I would literally like wake up, I could do like a 30-minute call, I could do a few things that I had, and then I was just a potato for the rest of the day. So if you feel the same, don't worry. All right, come over to the other side. And then we're gonna twist it. I thought, oh, you know what? I've climbed Everest. Like, it's not gonna be that hard. It's not gonna take me down. I won't feel that tired. Oh my gosh, growing a human is no joke. All right, we're gonna twist over to the other side. And then you're just gonna gently twist. You don't need any big twisting motions. It's only just a very, very slight twist. And you don't even need a twist at all. You can just feel it all the way down the side of your glutes right here. I can feel it. As I haven't worked out like that much, I'm excited for the second trimester where I can really start to pick up some weights again. I don't even know if I've picked up any weights in my first trimester. Maybe the first couple of weeks, but yeah, I was not feeling too hot and sexy. I was like, where's this pregnancy glow that everybody talks about? Because I certainly was not glowing. All right, we're gonna hold it here. We got 10 more seconds. And here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Amazing work. Come back to the center. Just give yourself a little bit of love. Even if it was 10, 12, 15 minutes that we got through together today, we're just gonna feel a little bit better. Now, if you have a nap after this, it doesn't matter, right? It's okay if you need to go and have a rest. Look after your body. Fuel, remember, protein is super important. If you're struggling to get protein in, maybe because you don't feel like eating, I've got some amazing protein, healthy meal shakes that have helped me so much because they're super light and they taste amazing and they're not chalky. So just take a look below and I will get you set up with the same plan that I'm currently using. All right, love you so much. Make sure that you share this with a soon-to-be mama, anybody that you know who is looking for great pregnancy workouts and just a great environment to be around during their pregnancy. Love you, girls, and I'll see you next time.